Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another kit that I received from my niece. She blessed me with this wonderful bunch of craft items, and this is Anna Griffin Well Wishes Shaker Card Kit. It says it includes everything you need to make 30 beautiful shaker cards. So some of the stuff might be used already, so we might not be able to make all 30, but we'll check it out. Let's see, I'll pull everything out. Uh-oh. Wow. Okay, so the box is empty. I'm spilling stuff everywhere. See what we got in this kit. So we have the card bases. Let's just take the belly band off. So here's the card bases with the cutout. Sending happy thoughts to brighten your day. Oh, here's another sentiment. Hope lovely surprises are coming your way to make your birthday a wonderful day. And that has the cutout too. Wishing you a day that is special in every way. Oh, and this is the back of the card. Okay, so we have, may each day find you feeling more and more like yourself, your wonderful self, sorry. And then, so tiny, so small, so loved by all, congratulations. And then wishing you and your baby love, laughter, and happiness. So those are the cards, and they all have the openings. That's the back. These are the, you're gonna probably pop these things out. Huh, I wonder. Okay, well, we'll wait and see. So that's those. The onesie, the teacup, and all different prints. So we will see. And then the die cuts. So cupcakes, stars, bears, all sorts of goodness. Oh, here's the shaker card pieces. And then sentiments. So let me get the first card ready and I'll show you what we do, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we're going to take the base and a pouch and adhere the pouch to the front of the base. But I'll want to make sure to keep it open so that if I get the tape runner outside this, it won't adhere. So that's what I did here. So there's the shaker, the sentiment, the back. Then you're gonna want to take a cover and adhere it to the front. So here's that. And then you're just gonna embellish it now. Okay, so we're just gonna do this up because I don't believe there's stickers. No. So add some of our adhesive. Oh, I wonder if I should have put this one on foam tape to make it a little dimensional, but So this comes together easy too. I probably didn't want to, because you could probably see on the other side. Didn't think of that, but oh well. Oh, you know what? I forgot to do the layer, which is right here. The layer piece. Okay, well, hopefully that worked. What do you think? It worked, huh? Hopefully I was in frame so you could see my fix. Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, it doesn't bother me, this, the back side of the die cuts I added, but it might bother you. So just note that. And there's that. And I think I'm good to go. That was pretty fast. So that's how those cards come together. So I'm gonna finish, try to make the 30 of them, and I'll be back to show you. Okay, I'm just back to share with you some of them. I don't know what happened, but I lost the footage. But here are some of the cards. I'm just gonna lay them out real quickly. Just to give you an idea of the ones that I did make. These are the T cards. Then the onesies. But I did get 30 cards out of the kit. And the birthday ones. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome if you're new. And welcome back if you're returning. Please like and subscribe. And for more videos like these. And until my next video, shakas!